Hey drummers, I'm Jim Linsner along with Danusha Beats on video and editing. In the last video, we checked out a sextuplet pattern that JP Bouvet played. This time we're going to work with that same pattern, but we're going to start it in a different place. Here's what I mean. Let's check out the original pattern. You'll notice that I wrote the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 under each one of the notes in the pattern. This is the sequence we played the pattern in. You can also play it 5 other ways. You can start on number 2 and go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Or you can start on number 3 and go 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. What we're going to do today is we're going to check out what it sounds like when we start on the 5th note. So in other words, it's going to go 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. The new sequence of notes is now going to be right, left, unison between the ride cymbal and the bass drum, left, left, kick. Right, left, unison, left, left, kick. Right, left, unison, left, left, kick. I'll play that from slow to fast. Now let's play a 1-measure groove, followed by our new pattern played 4 times to create a 1-measure fill. Now let's move the notes around the drums a little bit. First, we'll start by playing the very first right on a different tom each time. Now let's try putting the first 2 notes on a different tom each time. Now, let's bring it back to the snare drum, but let's move the right hand on the 3rd note to a different cymbal each time. Another really cool thing you can do is you can move the 3rd note to the hi-hat and do a quick opening. Check out what that sounds like. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move not only the first 2 notes to a new drum each time, but the 3rd note on the cymbal to a new cymbal each time. Okay, and I'm going to do whichever cymbal is closest to the drum I'm playing. Okay, so in other words, I'm going to go snare, snare, and then hi-hat opening. Small, small, and then crash on the left. Medium, medium, and then ride cymbal. Floor, floor, and then crash on the right. Check this out. So there are many, many other ways you can move that around the drum set. You can also combine a couple of the different ways to really create some very, very exciting fills and solo ideas. And I want you to remember this rhythmic device, where you take a pattern you're already familiar with, write the numbers of the notes, whether it's 4 notes or 6 notes or 8 notes or whatever, and start the pattern in a different place. You'd be amazed how different the pattern will sound when you start it in a different place. It's a really cool thing, and you already have the idea in your hands, so you'll be able to play it, even though it's going to sound a little funny and feel a little funny at first. Hey, I'm Jim Linsner, and if you like these lessons, you'll like private lessons with me even more. Check me out at drumlessonsbuffalo.com.